Welcome to Quarantine Karaoke, presented by University Performances and Special Events. Take the stage and sing your heart out. Follow along with this short video and we'll show you how to get on stage. Please look at the chat in Zoom where our virtual stage managers will be sending you important information. There will be 2 links in the chat. The first link is the sign up to sing form. The second link gives you a whole list of songs you can choose from that we've already confirmed are ready to sing. Fill out the form and be sure to include 3 song options just in case your first picks aren't available. Another reminder to keep your eye on the chat. Your virtual stage manager will confirm your song and send you a link. The link provided in the confirmation will take you to a different Zoom meeting, which will be the virtual stage for your performance. If the webinar does not close when you enter the performance stage, please close it to avoid hearing your voice with a delay. Trust us, it won't sound good to you. Please join your performance stage with your video and audio turned on, as we'd love to hear you and see you. Isn't that why we love karaoke? Please remember to unmute yourself before you perform. As soon as you unmute, you will be live to the audience. Again, that chat box is super important. Notice the instructions sent to you by the virtual stage manager and do your best to follow them. It's very important that you wear headphones that are connected to your computer so that the karaoke music doesn't come back into Zoom through your microphone. In other words, headphones will make your performance sound a lot better. In the chat, your virtual stage manager will include a link to Watch Together. This will be your music and lyrics for the performance. Please place Watch Together beside the Zoom window so you can see your Zoom window and the lyrics on Watch Together at the same time. No need to hit play, we've got you covered. As soon as you are ready to perform, please reply OK to our virtual stage manager in the chat. Our MC will get ready to introduce you.
And now, let me introduce to you.
After you finish your wonderful performance, please remember to click the final link in your chat to be returned back to the main stage as an audience member. Thank you for coming and enjoy tonight's Quarantine Karaoke.